Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made two videos on this same item. But I said there that mine is different than the one he originally sent me, and I did the second one in the video like he did. But it's got this lines in the B down into the squiggles, and if you didn't want that, it'd be a little bit difficult to get rid of it through the whole thing and have some here. We want the outline here, but let's say we don't want it here. So to do that, I would take our hairline contour line and get it out of the way. Then I'm going to get this out of the way. You want to just get things out of the way that aren't necessary right now. Now you take we want this stuff up top and up bottom, but we don't want it in here. Well, the only way to get rid of it is take the virtual segment delete key and start deleting lines. But here's the trick. You need to convert this to a curve before you can start virtual segment delete key. So I'm going to delete this and this and this and this. I'm going to delete some of the ones I can get to, but there's a lot where I can't get to them. But I'm going to show you a little trick here. Okay, we've got rid of some of them. I only want the top and the bottom. Let's grab it and let's move it out of the way 10 inches. Now see what's happening? We see the spaces that we can get rid of, and it'd be a lot easier to break the curve apart. And now each one of these lines is individual, and we can get rid of it by selecting it like that. Alternate selecting. This is probably just as quick. But see, now you've gotten rid of all the excess B's or the part you need. Just select them both and put them back. And now the B's, the lines aren't intersecting other lines. And then you can very easily just move this back. So you've got the exact same thing. So if you break the curve apart after you've cut some lines, if you don't break the curve apart, you can't do that. It'll keep cutting the lines. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.